Due to the graphic nature of this program, viewer discretion is advised. Well, boys and girls, time for another adventure. As the saga continues. And let's just get this straight. Here's some gloves, Sean. Telka shows. There you go. So this is what we got going here. Jake steering the TEA up on the I don't know. We bought these off of a viewer. Bought this one, that one over there. The old Ferguson. I guess we're gonna try to resurrect these birds and see if they can fly again. So I'm gonna give Sean a hand and stand by. What are you thinking?
It's gonna be tricky, eh?
What's under here, I wonder? That probably weighs a lot that he left in the way. Hopefully we can just pivot that out of the way. Is it heavy?
2x4s, plank, wood, siding for a house or something.
That's still like kind of holding air, semi?
Yeah, it's still there. Probably loaded, right?
This one's kind of semi holding air. Well, we're gonna see how loaded this bad boy really is. Boy, these Farmalls were something, I'll say.
The way they're built?
That's got center steering on it, Sean. You said you think the one that we were on when we were kids was offset? All right.
Filming right now actively?
Yeah, I'm actively filming. We kind of grew up on these. Oh. Hey, look, an actual ballast resistor. Well, there you go. Is this a super? No, this was a super? What's with the oil line here? We'll have to look at that. The brakes aren't seized. It's got this power steering system put on it. And well, yeah, she's a little bit homemade. I'm not sure what's going on there. I'll have to do some research with that power steering setup. See what's going on. This is kind of unique. That must have been the original. There would be a drag link between there and there. So we'll see what we're going to do with that. But just in case anybody wanted to know. And we'll clean that up afterward and get some readings off its starter. Looks like it was replaced in the last 25 years. Alright. I don't know, boys. I think we shouldn't bother with this one. The fuel filter's dirty. Whew.
Is there people that want these Farmalls?
Oh, of course. Alright, here we are back at the homestead. So the brake pedal. Yeah, it's that bar. That does both of them. And then these are the individual pedals, left and right. So, ready to roll? Roll the tire, Jake.
Some ramps. That's it.
Well, we got her that far. Alright, I'm gonna push. That a New Holland?
Yeah.
Yeah. Broken though.
Yeah.
Front wheel's messing off a bit. I get the tires aired up so we can hopefully move this monster. I gotta get a hold of that guy on YouTube, the expert on internationals. See what he's got to say about this thing. Nice set of wheel weights in there. 12.4, 38 tires. Wow. Alrighty. Got one tire up. And it doesn't look like the sidewall is ready to jump out of it yet. Let's get the other tire. Switch over to the other tire, Jake, in the front.
How many would you put in that?
I put 20 in there, I think.
Okay.
Then the backs will be about 14. Here's a thought, is it going to steer? Well, it should steer. Yeah, it'll steer. Put that power steering setup on there. That's the cylinders like what we used to use, Jake. On the 8000 to run the hydraulics.
Yeah, that's homemade, that, right?
Oh yeah, that's all homemade. She's Frankenstein.
Power is good. Cut all that off, I guess, eh? Well,
It don't look like 21's enough in that tire. No, we're gonna keep going. There it is. Look at that, Farmall in 3D. 3D world. It's coming right at you. Don't hurt yourself, Hero. Come on, let's go. Yeah, repeat steps 2, 3, 4 as required until you get her on the trailer. Tried to put air in the tires, but the valve stems are not cooperating. You can see it is moving. Here's where it's at. She left her mark. There you go. Quarter inch at a time. So what we're using here is come along setup. We bought these come alongs ages ago. We're finally putting them to use. I think there's a reason why people don't buy come alongs.
Why is that?
You might end up having to use it. Tires are pathetically low on there. Good job, Jake.
God, this socket's on. I don't know if they're just rusty or.
What?
I think I need a longer one. SP. It feels like that's even bigger, eh?
Oh, it is bigger. Yeah. Get your big set.
My 3/4.
There's a set in the back of the truck. Grab the set. We'll get the spark plugs out of here and put some love in this hole. In the holes because she's stuck.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, we didn't get it coming off the trailer because we needed another person for videography while we were doing this, and we didn't have it. So there's they are sitting in place. That's a little Ferguson. This is the International. We're going to put the hood on so it's not so ugly. So it's pretty lawn art. It's lawn art now, Deanna.
You should have came and got me of it in video.
No, I know. I never even thought about it. We're so used to running the way we run. So we could not get, we got air in this tire, no problem. I can't get air in this tire because the valve stem's broken. And it's a style that I don't recognize. It's got a very long protrusion, long one that goes down inside the rim in the tube. So I don't think you can change them out. Maybe, I don't know. You can see the water. I don't think it's calcium in these. I think it's just plain water. So One's mounted right way, one's mounted backwards. I don't know. That's a Kelly tire. What's the other one? These aren't even a match set, so what is this one? No, they're both Kellys. Huh. All right. Go ahead. What do you got? What does it look like?
Crusty.
Can I see the plug? Ooh. Uh-oh. That's not a good sign.
No?
No.
What's that mean? Water in the block?
It's a rusted plug.
A little bit, yeah.
Think the motor's toast?
I don't know. It's a rusted plug. It's a rusted plug. It said the exhaust appears to be sealed-ish. I don't know. Well, we're only going to do what we can do, right?
But it's flying by.
What's that?
Pregnancy.
Yeah.
At first it felt
Okay, next one.
But when you find out really early, then it's like it feels like it's forever.
Give her.
You'll be okay. You guys are designed to have children.
Yeah.
That's a lot to go through.
Oh, yeah.
That one's good.
Yep.
That's a good sign. Let me see that. Yeah, that's a good sign.
You end up with so much stuff too. I can only imagine the stuff you're gonna get when you go back.
Okay, next one. Well, there you go. International Harvester, the Farmall. The IH Farmall is having issues. You sure that was the right size?
Yeah.
Let's stand by here. Well, she's a multi-bath. Got the old WD-40 Panther piss, and now we're hitting her with the PB blaster. So everybody's on there talking about the PB. Well, she's getting both. And we have one bad cylinder that shows rust in the spark plug. So that is a good sign. But I'm just hosing this thing down, and hopefully this stuff's got low tension. It appears to have low tension. It'll leak past the rings. Get the rings going again. Here you go, Jake. So that's where we are. Here's the spark plugs as they came out. So as all you guys know, can I have that other spark plug? This was the bad plug right here. So that's the difference. Bad plug, and these ones were good. So there was a valve open, and we don't know what kind of damage. I have a borescope at home. I'll see if I can dig it up, and then we'll go down, do some exploratory, and have a look down inside. But for right now, we're just going to let that soak. This is a magneto. Someone's going to tell me that. I'm going to get a hold of my buddy there who's down in Ohio. I can't think of the name of his channel, and he collects these things in love. Yeah. And
he was the guy that was really upset when Whistling was going to destroy one of these, wasn't he, for a video?
Yep.
Yeah, I remember him.
So this has been a conversion unit over to breaker points and 12 volt ignition. So this is the ignition supply, and it goes through into the coil, 12 volts, and the breaker points runs to ground. There's a capacitor there, and yeah, that's how they converted a magneto, because that originally was a magneto, because that would have been the coil right here, I believe, and that would have been the coil out terminal into these, and then these to the cylinders. So there you go. There's where we're at so far. So we're lubing this one. It's going to sit. We've got to get it fix the tire stem so we can air up the tire. We got 3 that hold air, 1 that don't. That's kind of good. The little guy here, the tires seem to be okay, and we got a little bit of work to do on this one. It's not stuck, so we're going to see what's going on with it, because we can turn it over. So maybe if we get lucky, we'll do a compression. I'm going to oil the cylinders anyway, because it's been sitting a couple of years. That guy said 2 years. So, and that's one of our viewers. His name is Mitch, and he set us up with this deal. And yeah, so hopefully we're going to get something to go. So this is the TEA. Where's that extension, Jake? Did you bring an extension out? Yeah. Just sit on the ground.
It's in that kit.
A 3/8 extension?
Oh, we need one. I'll go get one. You want one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of tight right here. There you go. Give me an extension. I don't want to turn this thing over with dry. We'll forego the dry cylinder. And we're gonna go against everybody on the YouTubes and not use a dry cylinder.
This is really free, eh?
Now I'm gonna lube them up, don't we?
Give it a little squirt.
Needs a lower rad hose. It's pooched. We'll figure out where the leak was. That looks beautiful. That plug there. And then we'll get the old PB blaster in there. You know why? Just because I don't believe in wicking over dry cylinders. There. You know what? We'll even wick her over if we can get her to go with no spark. Well, did I just screw up the firing order railing? But I guess I'll be able to figure it out, right? Can't be that hard. Stand by.
No rust on the cam. Good.
So let me unpower that for a second.
Check for gas.
I'm going to put that there. And how dirty are they?
Run under your file and I'm giving this a break.
There.
Got your valves done.
Are we up? Can you bump that for me? Just roll it a little bit till we're on the top of the lobe. And we're on the bottom now. Okay, hold on. Leave it there for a sec.
Right there's. Right there. That's respectable. Looks
Should be. It's decent. Should be 20 thou.
But are they clean? Let me see. Are they clean? Yeah, okay. Yeah, they're clean.
They look fuzzy. Sorry, I'm giving everybody the red screen.
Close all the way. Hang on.
Okay, leave them closed. Get them so they're closed. Right there. Right there. Now, if I tap this, we should get. I should see spark here. Yep. Okay, so the points are working. We're that far.
Get a knife or something. You gotta clean. These are really funky. Starting to corrode. Plastics are coming off.
Wish I had some emery cloth.
Alright, just gotta have the. Look at that, eh? Shit. Arc all over them. Arc lightning everywhere.
What? I can't hear you. The muffler's got to be fixed. Alrighty, boys and girls. Okay, that's it. There's no water in it. There you go, boys and girls. We got her lit.
The PTO was spinning.
Was it now?
Yeah.
Because maybe it's engaged. Okay, there, the PTO is unengaged.
Okay.
And the 3-point went up. This is the whole thing right here.
Is that good?
The 3-point went flying up.
That's good, right?
That's very good. The adapter got twisted off on the PTO. I think that's a small shaft PTO, so we got to get another adapter or change the shaft, so it's just easier to buy an adapter. Okay, there you go. We got to put water in it.